They only have like, they don't have supermarkets, huh? They have like those convenience.
So apparently my dad's house was actually used to be right here, at this location where this now dance academy is.
No way. You will see the exact house.
Okay, on the other side? Okay. As you can see though, Korea is still expanding and they keep building more and more. Look right behind. Kind of like that's how big it was?
Yeah, but not the bricks.
He carried a water bucket then when he was young.
So right now, we're actually walking up to my dad's old school. I think elementary school?
His old elementary.
It was his elementary school.
But they changed it.
To middle school.
Yeah, but
they renovated, I'm sure.
Raised about 3 stories higher. So 2 levels.
So you see where the glass starts? That's where they started adding more.
Right. There are a lot of families. Well, one class has 17 students, and sometimes one every year about 10.
I have 4 extra batteries.
It's amazing.
So we actually found a kind of a house that looked like my dad's old house. He said, "This is how it used to look like, Appa." Exactly like this. Oh wow. You want to tell us about this building behind you, Appa?
Oh, this is a third building, actually a third temple, and first, actually fourth. What was first is kind of still a concept, and then after they used it as an educational building, and then they built church building first one, and second was adding up and renovate, little, make it a little bigger, and this is a fourth one actually. Completely new.
Renovated?
No, it's a new building.
So they took down the previous 2 buildings and rebuilt it.
So we were married in the third one.
This is the 3rd iteration.
Yeah, this is fourth. But,
4th.
So we were married when they renovated the building. That one.
So when they made the 3rd church, was it this big?
No.
This is the most biggest.
This is the biggest? So where would you say it was before it got built this tall? Up to...
Maybe middle.
Like where the middle of the stained glass?
Yes.
Wow.
And that is Yonsei University.
We will go.
지금 여러분이 보고 계신 이 장면이 바로 조선시대 모든 법령을 발하였던 궁궐 정문을 왕궁 시위군인 금군이 지키는 장면입니다. You are now watching the Royal Guards, called Kumgun, guarding the front gate of the palace, where every decree of the Joseon dynasty was published.
现在大家看到的景象，就是由王宫侍卫军禁军在守卫发布朝鲜王朝所有法令的宫殿正门的景象。
現在皆様がご覧になっているのは朝鮮時代王宮の正門を守っていた禁軍の姿です。 덕수궁을 순찰하던 교대군들이 수문장 교대 의식을 거행하기 위해 대합문 앞으로 행진하고 있습니다.
After the patrol, the royal guards are marching toward the gate to shift their turns. 巡视路程中的换管兵，为了举行王宫首将换岗仪式，向大汉门前行进。
王宮の周りを巡発していた軍が交代儀式を行うため出半分に向け行進しています。
So
군호 응대입니다. 양군의 참화가 서로 군호를 묻고 답하여 상대 교대군의 신원을 확인하게 됩니다.
Changha, the vice commanders of each side, are confirming their codes to identify.
两军的参下通过互问互答、应对口令，以此确认放港军的身份。
両軍の참화가暗号で相手の身元を確認します. 지금 덕수궁안에서 왕검수군장 교대 의식을 강조, 각찰하기 위하여 두 명의 관리인 주서와 사약이 나오고 있습니다.
The two officials, Juso and Kayak, just arrived from the palace to supervise the ceremony.
为了监督王公守门将换岗仪式，两个官吏著书和司药在德寿宫里面走出宫门。
주소と사약、2人の官吏が交代儀式を監督するため特殊軍より登場しました。 처음은 교대 의식의 첫 번째 절차를 알리는 신호로 나갈 소리에 이어 6번의 언급을 알리겠습니다.
Chom is to notify the first procedure of the ceremony.
出演是宣告交接仪式的第一有锣角声、打鼓声，以及会响起6次连鼓声。
처음은 交代儀式を知らせる最初のサインです. 지금 참화가 전달하는 상자는 궁궐 열쇠가 들어있는 약시함입니다.
The vice commander, Changha, is handing over the main gate's key to the official in red uniform.
守门军参下移交给换岗兵的是装有宫廷钥匙的钥匙箱。
両軍の참화が渡している箱は王宮の鍵が入っている薬師飯です. 중앙은 교대의식의 두 번째 절차를 알리는 신호로 나갈 소리에 이어 3번의 언고가 울렸습니다.
Chulong is to notify the second procedure of the ceremony.
中联是宣告交接仪式的第二程序信号，有锣角声、打的声，以及会响起3次连鼓声。
중검은 交代儀式の次の手順を知らせるサインです. 중검에는 부신포함 의식과 위장회 인계 의식이 있습니다.
Chulong includes matching Bushin, a one-round tag divided into 2 pieces. Wijangpe is handed over after this process.
这是父系拼礼仪式和备将牌交接儀式。
중검には商標である芯を合わせる儀式、そしてビジャンペを渡す儀式が含まれています. 서방은 교대의식의 세 번째 절차를 알리는 신호로 교대하는 순간을 알립니다. 나갈 소리에 이어 2번의 언고가 울렸습니다.
Chulong is to notify the third procedure of the ceremony.
3连是宣告交接仪式的第3程序信号，进行守门军交接，有锣角声、打的声，以及会响起2次连鼓声。
サモムは交代儀式の最後の手順を知らせるサインで、自分軍が交代する時を知らせます。
Key and like a badge. Let's split two.
관람객 여러분께서는